Imagine docking at a port where the Mediterranean sun dances on the azure seas, and a city of timeless beauty unfolds before your eyes. Welcome to Palma de Mallorca, a must-visit cruise ship port. As the capital city of the Balearic Islands, Palma de Mallorca is a gem nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean. Here, cobblestone lanes meet modern boulevards, the air is scented with sea salt and citrus, and the rhythm of life is as laid back as the sway of palm trees lining the pristine beaches. The city's history is as deep and captivating as the sea that surrounds it. With roots dating back to the Roman Empire, it has been shaped by a myriad of cultures, each leaving their unique mark. From the imposing Gothic cathedral La Seu that watches over the city, to the charming old town's narrow streets filled with hidden treasures, Palma is a city where the past and present coexist in harmonious balance. But Palma de Mallorca is not just about history, it's a vibrant city that pulsates with life. From the bustling local markets brimming with fresh produce to the lively terraces of Santa Catalina, this city is a gastronomic paradise waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the stunning landscapes that surround Palma. From the rugged beauty of the Serra de Tramontana mountains to the tranquil turquoise waters of the secluded coves, there's an adventure waiting around every corner. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the city's top attractions, introduce you to its rich culture and history, and share some insider tips to help you make the most of your time in this enchanting city. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an outdoor enthusiast, there's something for everybody in Palma de Mallorca. So are you ready for an unforgettable journey? Pack your adventurous spirit and your appetite as we delve into the wonders of Palma de Mallorca. Step into the pages of history as you explore Palma's fascinating historical sites. As our journey continues, we delve into the heart of Palma de Mallorca's past, where each stone has a story to tell. First, imagine the grandeur of the Palmer Cathedral, or La Seu, as it's locally known. This magnificent Gothic cathedral stands proudly by the sea, its soaring spires reaching for the sky. It's a testament to the island's rich religious history, a place where the echoes of past prayers still whisper in the wind. The cathedral's intricate design, with its stunning rose window and the modernist touches added by famous architect Antoni Gaudí, is a sight to behold. Next, let's venture to Belver Castle, a unique circular fortress that watches over Palma from a hilltop. This 14th century castle is steeped in history, having served as a royal residence, a prison, and now a museum. The panoramic view from the castle's terrace is simply breathtaking, giving you a sweeping vista of the city and the azure Mediterranean Sea beyond. Finally, we can't overlook the Arab Baths, a hidden gem that transports you back to the time of Moorish rule. Nestled within a lush garden, these 10th century baths offer a glimpse into the everyday life of the island's ancient inhabitants. The quiet calm of the bathhouse, with its domed ceiling and warm stone walls, is a serene sanctuary in the heart of the city. These historical sites are a testament to Palma's rich heritage, offering a captivating journey into the past. As you wander through these places, you're not just sightseeing, you're stepping back in time, touching the same stones that were laid centuries ago, walking the same paths that countless others have trod. And in doing so, you're becoming a part of Palma de Mallorca's enduring story, adding your own footprints to the sands of time. Now, allow your taste buds to embark on an adventure with Palma's delectable local cuisine. Imagine the sweet, flaky texture of ensaimada, a traditional Mallorcan pastry, as it melts in your mouth. This spiral-shaped delicacy, dusted with powdered sugar, is a breakfast staple in Palma. It's an experience that lets you start your day feeling like a true local. Then, as you explore the city's bustling markets, you'll encounter the robust flavors of sobrasada. This cured sausage, made from pork and paprika, is a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. It's a savory treat that pairs perfectly with a slice of crusty bread and a glass of local wine. Speaking of markets, Palma's vibrant food scene is best experienced in places like Mercat de l'Olivar and Mercat de Sant Joan. These bustling hubs are where locals and visitors alike come to savor the freshest produce, seafood and meats. They're not just markets, they're the heartbeat of Palma's gastronomic culture. And let's not forget the city's thriving restaurant scene. From quaint tapas bars tucked away in narrow alleys to Michelin-starred establishments serving innovative Mediterranean cuisine, Palma is a food lover's paradise. Each dining spot offers a unique gastronomic experience, reflecting the island's diverse culinary influences. For those with a sweet tooth, the charming bakeries scattered around the city are a must-visit. Their display windows filled with an array of pastries, cookies and cakes are a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. But the true essence of Palmer's cuisine lies in its simplicity and the use of fresh local ingredients. It's about the olive oil harvested from groves that have been on the island for centuries. It's about the catch of the day, brought in by fishermen at dawn. It's about the love and care that goes into every dish. So whether you're a seasoned foodie or someone who simply loves to eat, Palmer's gastronomic delights are sure to impress. From traditional dishes passed down through generations to contemporary creations that push culinary boundaries, there's something to please every palate. A culinary journey through Palmer is an experience your palate will not forget. For those seeking thrills or souvenirs, Palmer offers a plethora of outdoor activities and shopping areas. Imagine the thrill of climbing the rugged terrains of Serra de Tramuntana. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not just a hiker's paradise, but a treasure trove of cultural landscapes. You can explore ancient terraces, stone walls, and centuries-old olive groves, all the while being serenaded by the symphony of nature. And when you reach the summit, the breathtaking panorama of Palmer is your well-earned reward. But if you're more of a water baby, how about sailing around the Bay of Palmer? Feel the cool sea breeze on your face and the warm sun on your skin as you glide across the aquamarine waters. The Mediterranean Sea, with its vibrant marine life and hidden coves, invites you for an unforgettable adventure. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert sailor. There are plenty of guided tours that cater to all skill levels. Now let's swap our hiking boots and sailing caps for shopping bags. Passeig de Born, often referred to as Palmer's Golden Mile, is a shopper's heaven. From high-end fashion labels to charming boutiques, this elegant avenue has it all. Don't forget to take a break at one of the many cafes and watch the world go by under the leafy canopy of plane trees. And for a taste of local life, make sure to visit Mercat de l'Olivar. This bustling market is filled with stalls selling everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to locally sourced meats and cheeses. And of course, there are the seafood stalls with their daily catch glistening on ice. It's not just a place to shop, but a sensory experience that brings you closer to the heart of Palmer. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a shopaholic, Palmer has something to satisfy your craving. So, are you ready to embark on your next adventure? Palma de Mallorca is waiting to share its secrets with you. Before we cap off, here's an insider's secret. Venture off the beaten path to the enchanting spot of Tian Pastilla. Tucked away from the bustling city, this beachside neighborhood is a serene oasis offering a slice of local life. Its pristine beach, charming cafes, and friendly locals make it an absolute must-visit. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Mediterranean Sea as you stroll along the palm-lined promenade. Get a taste of authentic Mallorcan cuisine at a local eatery, or simply bask in the sun while savoring a refreshing glass of sangria. The beauty of Can Pastilla lies in its simplicity, a perfect haven away from the busy tourist spots. Now let's talk about how to make the most of your visit to Palma de Mallorca. Instead of booking tours through your cruise ship, consider going directly to local tour providers. This approach has several benefits. For one, it offers a more personalized experience. Local guides can tailor your tour to your interests, giving you a unique glimpse into Mallorca's culture. Secondly, booking directly supports local businesses, contributing to the local economy and preserving Mallorca's heritage. Lastly, it's a great way to save money. Cruise ship packages often add a hefty markup, so going straight to the source can lead to significant savings. For links to trusted local tour providers, check the video description below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting port of Palma de Mallorca. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore its unique charm and allure. Remember, the world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered, and sometimes the road less traveled can lead to the most unforgettable experiences. That's a wrap on our tour of Palma de Mallorca. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel secrets. Stay tuned for our next cruise port review. Safe travels, adventurers!